As many of you already know, we recently released Veeam Data Platform 12.2, and this release is really full of exciting capabilities for a minor release. First, I'd like to highlight our Nutanix HP integration advancements. It's really a major release for this capability with Prism integration, with the new architecture that doesn't require to have a proxy appliance on every host, and these kind of really good improvements. In addition, we added support for a brand new hypervisor, which is Proxmox VE, and oh boy, that had a really amazing reception with thousands upon thousands of VMs protected in just a few weeks after the release. Also, for big workload expansion news, we added support for MongoDB, which is easily almost 2/3 of NoSQL database market. So if you use MongoDB, that's a big improvement for you. For enterprise customers, we really improved the simplicity of transformation, but I'm going to talk about this in the next slide in more details. We expanded our cloud workload support. We added orchestration around YARA rules, that our addition 12.1 that's now can be fully managed, orchestrated, automated checks, and so on with Veeam Recover Orchestrator. And to help you streamline operations, we delivered the previously announced Palo Alto Networks integration with both XSIAM and XOR tools that they provide. We reduced false positives in our malware detection. There was, of course, a big feedback on version 1 of this capability. And we allowed you to support to perform backups from your on-premises backup repository directly to archive class object storage in cloud, Amazon or Azure, right? So that will, in some scenarios, it will really reduce your cloud object storage costs if you're only using it for archival.